Good day, how are you? This is Alfredo Masso from Boundless Builders, and I'm here showing you a spectacular new product that I discovered at the Kitchen and Bathroom Show back in Las Vegas. This particular product won an award as the best linear drain at the show, and it happens to be from this company called QM Drain. This company has this pan where the drain, basically that is the pan, and then the drain cover, which is a linear drain, it's a width of the whole shower pan. So if it's longer, which is this case, they include a blade, specialty blade for stainless steel. You have the kit comes with a level adapter, shims, the specialty key to pull the cover out. Of course, the basket and Sikaflex adhesive to glue the cover to this pan. This is longer, as you can see, but I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to cut even cuts on either side with a specialty blade, so that way this fits center. So here we are. I'm going to proceed to cut 3 inches total of the length of this. From this goes with this QM disc, specialty for stainless steel. So we're going to go ahead and cut it. Next step will be leveling. So you can see this is totally off level. So I need to raise this end so that way that bubble sits. They provide the shims. You can see here. These are the shims. You just fold them, clip them, put them below as such, and like right now, my bubble is dead center. So I'm here with Sikaflex at the bottom, which will be on top of this, and now I put my Sikaflex bit on top of the drain pan. Notice that this thing, it's all stainless steel 316. This is as perfect as you can get. I haven't seen anything like this anywhere. All I need to complete my job here with the linear drain is to put the basket for safety in the drain. I'm going to do that right now. And then you'll put the cover, and that's it. And if you need to clean it, that's a cover. If you need to clean it, it comes with this key. All you have to do is pick it up, pick this up, and clean it. Simple, beautiful, completely custom. This was the Supreme from the company QM. First time I use them, I understand it's a new product. You can see it's a complete custom fit.